In this Python tutorial, you are going to see that how to plot dual axis plot in Matplotlib plotting. You can observe here that a basic dual axis plot where x-axis is common for your both y-axis and data are represented by your exponential of x-axis, and right one is your sine of your t. So basically, the main theme is that you have one axis and you are going to represent your data set by two scales, right? So here one is exponential and another is sine t. So let's do it through the Python code. Okay, so first of all, we'll import libraries. So import library. So we'll import NumPy. So import NumPy as np, and this deals with array or number, and then you can import matplotlib.plotting pyplot as plt, and it deals with plotting, right? So this much we have done. Now we'll define our x and y data. So here you can define. Okay, so now we'll define our x and y data. So declare or define x, y1 and y2 data. So suppose I define x equal to np dot linear space. I define from 0.1 to 10 100 data points. Similarly, I can define y1 equal to, you can define here exponential of t, and y2 you can call it np dot sine of t, np dot sine of t, right? So now this much we have done. What is the mistake? So there should be x and there should be also np. Now it's fine. Okay, so you got your now we'll create our plots. So create figure and axis. So for that, type here fig, and here your x1 for axis, common axis, and type here plt dot subplots and give function. Okay, and you can type here plt dot. So you can see here a figure has been created with the axis. Okay, now we have to plot your data points, right? So for type here, so plot your x, y1 data. So for that, type here x1 dot plot x comma y1 and run it. So here you can observe that you have your first plot plotted, right? Now you want to plot your second plot. So you can give it 10 if you want, or 100 is better, right? So this will you have done the first plotting. Now for a second plot, so for second plot xy2, type here okay, so you have to plotting like you have to add twin axis. So type here x2 equal to x1 dot twin, and your x-axis is common, so type here x, and so this will create a twin axis. Now type here plt ax2 dot plot x comma y2 and run it. So here you can see that you got two plots, right, with a different x and y axis. You can also give colors to these plots to customize it. So for you can set here x1 dot set uh, underscore x your x level, and you can call it as a uh, x data, right, and also you can give color. So here you got your x data, and similarly you can set for you can set your y level. So just set your y level, right, and you can call it your y1. So you can call it y1 equal to or exponential of x simply, right, and you can give color equal to say red, right, and you can also add here color equal to red. So you can see that is your exponential curve and red is your exponential of x, right. So in the same way you can also add this things to your secondary plot. So you call it here x data. So I've set already, so just type here x2 set y level equal to sine of x, right, and you can make it color equal to black and also color equal to black, right. So here you can see that you got your uh, two different plots with same x axis, right. Now suppose you want to like change the line width, you can also change. um, Type here line width equal to 5. You can also type here line width equal to 10. There should be equal to. So here is your plot. Maybe you can make it 4. Okay. So this way you can plot your axis, and you can like also give your say that your this y-axis color as color according to your plot. So just type here x2 dot uh, ticks tick underscore parameter, and you can give your axis equal to y, and you can give level color. So level color equal to red, right. So you got, I think there's some mistake. So sin x. Okay, so and the same thing you want to give here. for x1 dot tick, and you can give it say, okay, so here you need to give exponential, so you want to give it a red and you want to give it a black color. Okay, so now it's fine. You can see that your red is your exponential x, and label and y label has been colored with red color, and for sin x it's black. So label is your like from red. Um, I mean it is from the like your black. Can also make different color. Can make it green, green, green. So now everything is fine, right? So this way you can add a dual axis to your x data, and you can plot it. So here's a code. It's a simple code. Input library numpy and matplotlib. Then we have defined x, y1, y2 data. Then created a subplot using figure and axis. Plotted the first plot using axis, and then I have defined twin axis, and then plotted in a similar manner in the first one. So here's the output of this code, and you can observe that t is your x data, your x is your x data, and you have two different y axes for same x values. So thank you.